welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and we are making crusty bread rolls. I think this is kind of a universal, everybody loves these. You get a bread roll that has a nice crust on it, so let's get started. Just some basic ingredients. We need 1.5 cups or 340 milliliters of warm water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon salt. First, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast. In a large mixing bowl, combine about half of the flour and salt. Stir in the yeast mixture and oil. Knead in the rest of the flour. Allow to rise for about an hour. Knead the dough briefly and form into palm-sized balls and place on a lined baking sheet. Allow to rise about half an hour. Cut the tops of the bread rolls. You can brush with water to make the crust extra thick. Bake in a preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 20 minutes. Remove from oven. This step is optional, but it is my preference to brush the bread rolls with butter. These bread rolls are lovely and fluffy. Love the crust, and my kids and I ate every one of them. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.